my name is Sharice if you're new. If you're not new, thank you for clicking on another video. So today's video is going to be a first impression Friday, and the item that I'm going to be doing my first impression on is this Ofra Perfecting Puff. It's an expanding makeup sponge. If you saw my recent unboxing video, it's the Ofra TBT mystery bag. This was one of the items that I received in that bag. I will leave a card somewhere around here, so if you haven't seen that video, you can get caught up. So this particular sponge retails for $15 on the Ofra website. And it's like this pretty like seafoam, sage, I don't know, it's a green. And it feels like super soft. It looks like the typical like beauty blender shape. And let's see if there's any directions or anything. Blah, blah, blah. Prevents lines and streaking with a soft and comfortable texture, creating a natural effect. It just says to moisten it, blah, blah, blah. The directions are just, you know, the typical sponge situation. I feel like there's like so much room over here. Anyway, I'm going to go wet this bad boy and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back, got my sponge. I feel like, can you hear that? I desperately need a fill, so don't, I'm glad it's not like focusing on my nails. It's like very dense in the middle, but still like soft on the outside, if that makes sense. So the foundation I'm going to use today is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I have it in the shade Mahogany. I do have a first impression, I don't know if it's first impression. Something fell off my freaking vanity. I don't know if it's a first impression or if it's like a full, is it a full face first? I don't know. Anyway, I do have video on my channel using this foundation. I wore this foundation to work yesterday. And the color isn't my favorite, but I have noticed, but I did notice that like my smile lines weren't twerking yesterday, so that's cool because lately my smile lines have been out of control. I've been using the Cover FX Natural Finish foundation. I also have a video on that, and using that foundation I've noticed that my smile lines are ridiculous. Okay, so now that it's wet, I'm noticing that the tip isn't as pointy as like a beauty blender. Yeah, a beauty blender's tip, so we'll see how it does with getting in like the crevices and stuff around or under my eyes. Yeah, like I said, this foundation is not my favorite. I think I put less foundation on yesterday. I really think I put like maybe 3 swipes of foundation. And it looked fine. I'll have to like insert a picture or something if I can remember. But yeah. Today I did go in to my job. I don't like this. I don't like it. I did go into my job and I got shade matched for Born This Way. So maybe like next week or so you'll see a Born This Way first impression, because we get an additional 25% off Too Faced this week at work, so that's cool. I feel like this isn't, I don't like this, and there's like these 4 weird holes at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. There's like 4 like holes at the bottom of this sponge. Let's spray the sponge a little bit. like I mostly sprayed my mirror. Around my eyebrows, this foundation just does not want to blend out, and like in between them. Oh no, honey. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me zoom in. Do y'all see this? What's happening on my face? There's like this weird separation right here. It's like it's not melting together or something. This was a bad idea right before I gotta go to work. Oh god. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna move on to concealer and see how the concealer situation goes. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I think this is in the shade, don't get me lying, Hazelnut. Eyebrows are wonky. I've tried 2 new eyebrow pencils in like last week or so, maybe 2 weeks, I don't remember. I've tried the this NYX Precision Brow. I've also tried the ColourPop, I don't know where it is, the ColourPop brow pencil, and both of them I'm just like whatever. I think I'm just gonna go back to my Benefit Goof Proof. Why did I put so much concealer under that eye? Yeah, my Benefit Goof Proof. I'm pretty much over using the Anastasia powder duo that I was using. I'm not into it anymore. I do have Dip Brow, and I'm just, that's not doing anything for me as well. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go back. I was having a feeling that I need to just go back to a pencil for a little bit. I wanted to get like a cheaper alternative, but I don't like the shape of the Precision pencil. This is supposed to be a fucking first impression on that sponge, but I don't like the shape of the Precision pencil. And then the ColourPop, excuse me, the ColourPop pencil is very dry. Like I felt like it took a lot of force for me to get my brows filled in yesterday when I used that. Today I used the Precision one, and then I just used the Ardell, what is that crap called? The Ardell Brow Building Fiber Gel. But yeah, I've been feeling my brows for a while. There was a moment there where I felt like my brows were decent, and now I'm just like meh. Okay, I can already tell you that yeah, I just don't like the sponge. I feel like it's just taking up more product than it's actually distributing onto my face. So I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back. Alright everyone, I am back. So I pretty much already told you guys that I didn't, where's the sponge? That I'm not feeling the sponge. I feel like you could live without this, especially for $15 and you have to order it online. Nah, you good. I would say if you want to get a sponge and you don't want to spend $15, I would recommend the Morphe sponge. I personally use, it's dirty too, I'm sorry. I personally use the highlight and contour one because I don't like the shape of the other one. It's like shaped like this, but then it goes in and then it goes back out. For whatever reason, I don't like sponges that are shaped like that. So yeah, I use the highlight and contour one. So I did go try to wash the sponge really quickly. I use the Beauty Blender. Oop, I use the Beauty Blender Solid when I clean like my sponges and my makeup brushes and stuff, and it doesn't look like it is too stained. There's like a little mark right here, but it might have been like some leftover product on my nail or something that just did that. But yeah, it looks pretty decent to me, so that is a plus. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep you guys for long. I need to go to work. There's nothing else that I need to say. So if you've watched this entire video and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Like, you clearly want to know what I have to say. You clearly want to hear my door creak because my animals keep coming in and out. Clearly you do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up so more people can see it, and I will see you